The Bible, a collection of sacred texts revered by billions, traces its roots back millennia to the ancient Near East. Its earliest components, written on papyrus and parchment scrolls, emerged from the oral traditions of the Hebrew people. These narratives, songs and teachings passed down through generations formed the bedrock of their faith. Imagine the scribes meticulously inking each Hebrew character onto a scroll, preserving stories of creation, covenant and exodus. These early manuscripts, fragile yet enduring, laid the foundation for what would become the Hebrew Bible or Tanakh. Centuries later, a new chapter unfolded with the life and teachings of Jesus of Nazareth. His followers, inspired by his message, began recording his words and deeds, initially circulating them as individual letters and stories. These writings, imbued with a belief in Jesus as the Messiah, gradually coalesced into the New Testament. The Bible's development was profoundly shaped by the tumultuous currents of history. The Babylonian exile, a period of profound upheaval for the Jewish people, witnessed the compilation and canonization of sacred texts, solidifying their identity in the face of adversity. Later, under Roman rule, a new faith took root: Christianity. As the early Christians navigated persecution and sought to define their beliefs, the writing, dissemination, and eventual canonization of the New Testament marked a pivotal moment in the evolution of the Bible. Throughout its formation, the Bible has been understood by people of faith as the product of divine inspiration. Whether through direct revelation or the guiding hand of the Holy Spirit, believers view the Bible as a sacred conduit through which God communicates with humanity. The Bible's journey from ancient scrolls to the printed book we know today is inextricably linked to the tireless efforts of translators. Men and women driven by faith and a desire to make the scriptures accessible to all dedicated their lives to rendering the Bible into countless languages. One such figure is St. Jerome, whose Latin translation, the Vulgate, became the standard Bible for the Western Church for centuries. Centuries later, during the Reformation, figures like Martin Luther and William Tyndale challenged the authority of the Church by translating the Bible into the vernacular languages of their day, empowering ordinary people to engage directly with the Scriptures. These translations, often fraught with controversy and risk, paved the way for the Bible's global reach. From the bustling cities of Europe to remote villages in Africa and Asia, the Bible's message transcended linguistic and cultural barriers carried by missionaries, merchants, and explorers. The Bible's impact on human civilization is immeasurable. It has inspired countless works of art, literature, music, and philosophy, its stories and teachings woven into the very fabric of Western culture. From Michelangelo's awe-inspiring frescoes in the Sistine Chapel to the soaring oratorios of Johann Sebastian Bach, the Bible's influence resonates through the ages. Beyond the arts, the Bible has played a pivotal role in shaping laws, social movements, and moral values. Its teachings on justice, compassion, and human dignity have fueled struggles for freedom, equality, and social reform, inspiring activists and reformers to fight for a more just and equitable world. As we navigate the complexities of the 21st century, the Bible remains a source of comfort, guidance, and inspiration for billions around the globe. Its timeless stories of faith, hope, and love continue to resonate, offering solace in times of uncertainty and reminding us of the enduring power of the human spirit.